Imagine you invested in a company, believing in its potential. But then, the stock price starts to plummet. What do? Panic? Hold on? Or sell? That's the predicament many Raiz investors have found themselves in recently. So, let's dive into the question, why have Raiz shares dropped? Before we delve into the reasons for the decline, let's quickly recap what Raiz is. Raiz is a micro-investing platform that allows people to invest small amounts of money regularly. It's a popular choice for beginners and those who want to build wealth gradually. But even popular companies can face challenges. Market volatility. One of the primary reasons for Raiz share price drop is market volatility. The stock market is a roller coaster, and Raiz shares are no exception. When the overall market takes a downturn, it's natural for individual stocks, including Raiz, to follow suit. This isn't unique to Raiz, it's a common occurrence in the investment world. Economic factors. Economic factors can also play a significant role in stock price fluctuations. Interest rate hikes, inflation, and geopolitical tensions can all impact the stock market. If the economy is facing challenges, investors may become more cautious, leading to a decline in demand for stocks, including Raiz. Company-specific factors. While market volatility and economic factors are external influences, there can also be company-specific factors that contribute to a stock price drop. For Raiz, these might include changes in management, regulatory challenges, or issues with product development. However, it's important to note that without specific information, it's difficult to pinpoint any particular company-specific factor as the primary cause of the decline. Investor sentiment. Investor sentiment can also influence stock prices. If investors become pessimistic about a company's future prospects, they may sell their shares, driving the price down. This can create a self-fulfilling prophecy, as more investors may follow suit, further exacerbating the decline. Long-term perspective. It's essential to remember that stock prices can be volatile, and short-term fluctuations don't necessarily indicate long-term performance. Raiz has a track record of delivering returns to its investors, and it's possible that the current decline is simply a temporary setback. If you believe in Raiz long-term prospects, it may be worth holding onto your shares and waiting for the decline in Raiz share price is likely a combination of factors, including market volatility, economic conditions, and investor sentiment. While it's natural to be concerned about your investments, it's important to maintain a long-term perspective. If you're confident in Raiz's future, consider holding onto your shares and weathering the storm. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.